Hello everyone. I don't delete the video when I don't make again. People, if I just do video, people go they beg me. Delete that video. Please. We don't want you to insult anybody. The time when these people they insult me. Una not they see them for social media. The time when these people they insult me, una not they see them for social media. The time when these people they insult me, una not they see them for social media. Una not beg for me that time. Now when me they do the back like lot of people they beg me, no, you saw them, leave them, saga no fit you. Just be happier woman. The time when we meanwhile they been or they cook, I don't delete the video for me to make una happy. I don't delete her. Because me, I be picking in the year word. A lot of people just they call me back. I don't know whether now meanwhile say on call. Delete the video. Please you too finish your meanwhile. Delete the video. I don't delete her. The time when men were molest me for social media, una not dey that time. Una not dey. Why people say if I do video, people would they call me, no, not do am. It not fit you. Not follow these people talk. It not fit you. All these people when me they do video for today, now they fake come for me. I know your carry they come out, they talk their matter. Now they fake come out for me. You do me, I do you gonna do. But I just want to obey una, I don't delete the video for me to make una happy. For me to make una happy, I don't delete the video. The time when Umewa spoil me, Umewa spoil me for social media on another day. It don't reach the time now when I want face Umewa now. Everybody they beg me. No, it's sort leave her. It no concern you. Saga don't fit you. Not do social media business. They do me. I go do them back. But I don't delay the video based on my sister just they call me. My friends they call me. No, delay that video. Wait see. Una know what I talk to them. No be the fair talk to me. If you not see the way Umewa, what make me your delay the video? I get reason when I delete her. Me no be say people they beg me, may I delete her. One tell me say that one when I say me Oyibo killer, that word, may I please, may I delete her, may Oyibo not go shoot her. My mouth not good. Umewa they feel say in mouth na sharp pass. Papa like parrot for social media. You go they call people Umewa or tamoma we or one wagbo. And you one wagbo. Wagbo. Umewa ema woka. Ema wogi. Ema woro. Ema wo you. You go they insult all women. All whoema. Whoema. Evanima we have social media. Now people will not find the trouble. Neither they find trouble for social media. Now it may come on and leave me. May I deal with them every day. But if I do video, if I talk to them, I'm going to say delete her. Yes, I got no fit you. Social media, no follow the talk. All those what they call. The time that they talk to me, una no they. Una no know. When say something happen to me for social media, when they supposed console me, they call they mock me. Umen when follow mock me, embarrass me, now make her the talk to her. But wait to make me delete her. Me, I not say I not obey una. Now make her delete that video. But it pay me because that black soup and padeya when I be the eat una go give me money when I take cook. I don't delete her for me to make una happy. But I will see do one. Wa when you tell when they boy agbewa, when they both fear no gbewa. Ne both take gbewa, yeah. Umen when oh too much, she deserve to die. Women deserve to die. Women were not good. Very wicked people. Okay, can you imagine he good? When be okay, listen to me. Husband and wife, what you now do for inside bed? You now call a finish. You now call carry on social media. Or now you do after we giving a kiononaje, giving one onaje. This kind of thing good. It's very bad. What you now teach the children? What you now teach the young one? The time one they do for inside the sweet one. But later you go on social media. Wait till they break on social media. Now when you get public, cry hard, people will help you. Social media not be the place where you call the proud, because when you proud, you know collect. Add the loyal with social media so that you will collect. All of them go they hide for that body. Some people, all these things when I will be say all this presenter they do now good. When be say all of them, they fight themselves, they'll go carry their papa picture. They'll come the post her for social media. They'll go carry their mama picture. They'll come post her for social media. Those kind of character is good. People when face you, you will face them. As me quarrel reach for year, I never post anybody picture for year. You know they do YouTube, you just dey on a Facebook page, they post picture, tag people picture. Write bad thing, very bad. You understand? Go you and ma go quarrel finish. Carry ya bako. You carry a come out, make the you worse. Yeah. You and woman go quarrel finish. Carry in under the poster. Those are bad character. If you are the type of doing that, me will not like you. If I be your friend, I will block. I go come out you from my list. Those are rubbish. Those are anybody with any woman will be saying they born pikin, you get man pikin, you can't carry another man dick come out for social media, or you get woman pikin, you can't carry woman because come out. You are a useless man, you are a useless woman for you to do that. What you not suffer do for inside, you can't bring her come out. Very bad. I hate those kind of people. Even though me, person offend me for this social media, I not post a picture, I not post any of it. I not try. Even if voice record, I not play. I know they try and those kind of things, I not let her the master. Is habit. Bad habit. Bad habit. How can you when be say you will be woman, man sleep with if they come out for social media, they come to say, man lick my pickles. Who ask you? The man no one who don't tie say man lick your pickles. Now today we the hear that story. Now today we the hear that one. How can you when be man? Who for no do I describe who worry? That one are nothing. Meanwhile, you no get sense. People when you see they follow, they no get sense. That is why you go see follow woman when be say you two not the same. No, they not say on a low carry. The woman they describe your prick, you they describe it to having a huemu. A huemu what? People just they beg me, might delay that video, I don't know why. If I do video, people go to beg me. My family go to beg me. Everybody go to beg me. Princess, delay that video. Trouble no fit you. Trouble, who trouble fit? All these people, before me, they do video for them today, now they find me trouble. I know they find trouble. Now they first talk to me. I need to see do them back. Umewe spoil me. He say, me on magbo. I on magbo na. Say, Anna, Inyash don't come out. Inyash don't come out. Oh, magbo, when you go meet now, that one don't bring Inyash come out. Nah, they'll go bring Umewe papa come out. Say, Umewe papa na, he gets off for leg of yak better. And the papa na, he not do anything. You understand? They go carry papa, we don't know anything. From village picture, they bring her come media. Carry this one, papa, we not do anything, bring her come media. Those are bad. Those are bad. Now when you see they do that thing, no good. No more, not let my disease go kill now. Stop carrying people, papa picture, heart of from Facebook. Even though you are that person, get problem. Don't post those people, children, picture. For your wall, you write bad comment on that picture. Don't post those people, papa and mama, you saw them because not be their family send them. Face who face you. Stop insulting family with their Africa. You they hear me? When they hear those things when they do so I not side down. I not just side down at all. Mona stop those things for social media. If you not stop her, me go the face una. They cannot be their papa, not be saying that the one way they did. So many people when they fuck up for social media and their family they talk to them. Just like me, and I do video and I saw my family they come delay that video, delay that video. This one when you talk say me or you both killer, not good. I see pics of sense there. Me not because me I be picking when they hear what I be picking when they consider somebody. I delete her. You understand? Because me know my mouth. My mouth, anything when I talk, it come to pass. I'll talk and play, it go happen. It go happen. Umenwa be careful. Egbe mu egbe social media. Ogbelikia. Go carry ogbidian like this. Ogbelikia. Ogbelikia. Now people when they insult, now they chop you. Now they chop you. Now make you they carry ogbidian. Talk truth. If you not talk finish for night, you not feel sleep. Una the thing go they chop. They go come they chop una for night. Una start with the face problem. Person when know they find trouble, self if they face trouble. Talk less of una when they find trouble everywhere. No worries, una chop winch. We una no dey fear. Una no dey fear. Na everybody na no talk to anyhow. Because of una, they will insult una papa wey dey village. They go insult una mama wey dey village. They'll go bring some people. They'll go post this one picture. They'll say, "Come look your papa. Oh, your papa na poor man." We don't know. We will be Africa. We poor. Now it make us we they come Europe. We can't give our family better life. We first get money before. If you get money, what you can't do for Europe? You can't go carry person, papa picture, come and say, he poor, oh, he papa no see food, eat. Will you there? Yeah. We no fit give your papa money. This one there, yeah. You no fit give your mama money. You don't give. Then they pluck money for train for Europe. Una social media thing, una fake life. You go make family way there Africa, the officer where they pluck money for you. Fake life. Fake life. So carry adoro money come and they'll come they spray for body. Money where you no work, you don't know how you take come. Phone where you go carry come and you go borrow to never pay credit. Stop fake life. Car where you they drive, you go borrow, you never pay finish. You carry her for credit.